Buckle up, folks! The used car market in this year is a highway filled with fantastic deals, and I'm here to be your GPS to the best bargains. Whether you're a sedan lover, an SUV enthusiast, or a truck aficionado, this guide has something for everyone. Let's dive in and discover the top used car deals you can't afford to miss this year. Number 10. Lincoln Corsair 2020 to 2024, the sophisticated SUV. The Lincoln Corsair is the epitome of American luxury in a compact SUV package, embodying both elegance and practicality in every aspect. It's the kind of vehicle that makes you feel like you're driving a first-class cabin on the road. With its plush interior, state-of-the-art technology, and smooth ride, the Corsair elevates the driving experience to a whole new level. Add to that Lincoln's reputation for creating vehicles that prioritize comfort and safety, and you've got a winning combination that's perfect for those who value a touch of sophistication in their daily commute. Financing rates for certified pre-owned models are at a competitive 5.99% annual percentage rate. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on a road trip, the Corsair offers a serene and refined experience that makes every journey feel special. Number 9. Audi A4 2019 to 2025, the tech-savvy luxury. The Audi A4 is like the tech geek who also happens to be a supermodel, blending cutting-edge technology with an undeniably sleek and stylish design. It's the perfect choice for those who want the latest features, from advanced driver assistance systems to a luxurious infotainment setup, all wrapped up in a premium package. The A4 is also renowned for its interior craftsmanship, with high-quality materials and meticulous attention to detail that create a cabin environment that's both comfortable and aesthetically pleasing. Financing rates for certified pre-owned models are as low as 3.99% annual percentage rate, making this luxury car more accessible than ever. With the A4, you're not just buying a car, you're investing in a future-proof driving experience that feels just as good on the wallet as it does on the road, offering both practicality and prestige in equal measure. Number 8. Mini Clubman 2019 to 2023, the quirky charmer. If you like your cars with a side of personality, the Mini Clubman is your go-to. This car stands out not just for its unique design, but also for its fun and engaging driving dynamics. It's a vehicle that offers more than just A to B transportation. It turns every journey into a memorable experience. The split rear doors add a touch of practicality, making it easier to load and unload, while the interior is surprisingly roomy given its compact size. Right now, you can finance a certified pre-owned Clubman at 5.49% annual percentage rate, making it a unique and affordable option for those who want to drive something different. Number 7. Infiniti Q50 2019 to 2024, the sleek performer. The Infiniti Q50 is where style meets substance, combining a sleek exterior design with powerful performance under the hood. This car isn't just about looking good. It's about delivering a driving experience that's both exhilarating and refined. With its smooth acceleration, responsive handling, and advanced technology features, the Q50 stands out in the crowded luxury sedan market. Currently, you can grab a certified pre-owned Q50 with a financing rate of 4.99% annual percentage rate. If you're searching for a car that offers both style and substance without breaking the bank, the Infiniti Q50 should be at the top of your list. Number 6. Lexus ES 2019 to 2022, the quiet achiever. Lexus has a well-earned reputation for building cars that last, and the ES is no exception. It's a vehicle that delivers on all fronts: luxury, comfort, and reliability, without drawing too much attention to itself. The ES is like that quiet achiever in your life who consistently excels but never brags about it. Inside, you'll find a serene cabin filled with high-quality materials and the latest tech features, all designed to make your drive as enjoyable as possible. If you're in the market for a premium midsize sedan, you can get a certified pre-owned ES with a 6.25% annual percentage rate. It's like getting a 5-star hotel experience on a 3-star budget. Number 5. Mercedes-Benz C-Class 2020 to 2023, the compact luxury. The Mercedes-Benz C-Class is like the little black dress of cars, elegant, versatile, and always in style. Whether you're cruising through city streets or hitting the open road, this car delivers a driving experience that's both luxurious and dynamic. The C-Class's interior is a masterclass in design, featuring high-end materials, sleek surfaces, and a user-friendly infotainment system that keeps you connected on the go. It's compact enough for easy maneuverability, but doesn't skimp on the features that matter most, like advanced safety systems and a high-end interior. On the road, the C-Class feels solid and composed, with responsive steering and a suspension that balances comfort and agility perfectly. This year, you can get one with a 2.99% annual percentage rate financing rate. With the C-Class, you're not just buying a car. You're making a statement of class and sophistication that will never go out of style. Number 4. BMW 3 Series 2019 to 2022. The driver's dream. For those who crave a little more luxury and sportiness in their daily drive, the BMW 3 Series offers a compelling package that's hard to resist. This car is the epitome of driving pleasure, with its responsive steering, powerful engine options, and a chassis that's perfectly balanced for both comfort and agility. The 3 Series is not just about performance, it's also about precision, offering a driving experience that's engaging and satisfying on every level. Inside, the 3 Series spoils you with a premium interior that's both stylish and functional, featuring the latest in BMW's renowned iDrive technology. The cabin is well insulated, ensuring a quiet ride, while the seats are supportive and comfortable, perfect for long drives. Currently, you can enjoy this luxury with a financing rate of 4.99% annual percentage rate. If you're looking for a car that makes every drive an event, the BMW 3 Series is the one to beat. Number 3. Subaru Crosstrek 2019 to 2024. The adventurer's choice. If your idea of a good time involves off-road trails and scenic drives, the Subaru Crosstrek is your perfect partner. This subcompact SUV is designed to take you off the beaten path with its standard all-wheel drive, impressive ground clearance, and rugged features like X Mode. Whether you're navigating through city streets or exploring the great outdoors, the Crosstrek has the versatility to handle it all. Financing rates for certified pre-owned models are currently at 4.49% annual percentage rate, so you can embark on your adventures without breaking the bank. With the Crosstrek, every drive becomes a journey worth taking. Number 2. Toyota Camry 2018 to 2024. The reliable workhorse. The Toyota Camry is like that reliable friend who's always there when you need them. Never flashy, but always dependable. It's the kind of car that gets the job done without any fuss, offering a smooth ride, excellent fuel efficiency, and a reputation for reliability that few can match. Inside, the Camry offers a spacious cabin that's both comfortable and functional, making it a great choice for families and commuters alike. In this year, you can drive away in a Camry with financing as low as 6.39% APR. It's a deal that gives you peace of mind, knowing that your investment will keep paying off for years to come. Number 1. Honda Civic 2023 to 2024. The Compact King. If there were an MVP in the compact car league, the Honda Civic would be the LeBron James of the bunch. Known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and just plain fun driving experience, the Civic is the go-to choice for many drivers worldwide. It's a car that excels in every category, from its sharp handling and modern interior to its impressive list of standard features. And guess what? You can snag a 2023 or 2024 model with a financing rate as low as 0.99% annual percentage rate. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking for a reliable second vehicle, the Civic is a smart, cost-effective choice that delivers more than you'd expect. Drive safe, drive smart, and remember, the best deal is the one that makes you smile every time you start the engine. And that wraps up our list of the top used car deals you can't miss in 2024. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update on the best deals, tips, and tricks for your next car purchase. Thanks for watching and happy car hunting!